Hi everyone, this is Mohammed Mehboob. In this video, we'll see how we can use the Revit model and bring it to the Office 365 products. With the new updates with Office 365, there is a functionality where we can import the 3D models of different file formats. So, for example, FBX, OBJ, 3MF, BLY, STL, and GLB. So these are the common formats that we can pretty much import it into the latest Office 365. This can be done with the PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, and also with the Outlook. So I can import the same within the Outlook and then send across as an email. So the process that I have followed here is I have the Revit model, which I have an option to export to an FBX, which is the regular format, which is the regular way to export to an FBX from Revit. Also, there is a plugin that can be used to export the same into an STL format, which can be downloaded from the Autodesk App Store. But I prefer to use this OBJ exporter because it retains all the textures, color, and material. So, as an example, if I edit this component, I can export the component into an OBJ format. So I need to select the path, save the file. You can look into the settings if you want to tweak, and export OBJ. So now it has exported the format. So if I go to the Microsoft Word, I can use the 3D models from a file, which is the chair object. One thing that I would like to keep in mind, because sometimes, let's say if I have a Revit model with more objects, the file size might vary. So what I prefer to do is I often use the 3D builder, where I can create a new scene, add the object, I can select the unit, import the model, and here I can pretty much navigate the same, and I can save as this version into a .3mf format, which is the 3D manufacturing format, which is used for the 3D printing. So I would save this because this would bring the file into a light version, because imagine if you have to send this file through Outlook, you don't want to exceed the limit of the email. So you can do this with the Revit project as well, or pretty much any other software that uses the 3D functionality, and you can export the multiple formats from here. So if I save, and if I go to chair 3MF, as you can see that I have imported it, and from here I can copy this to the clipboard. If I go to Outlook, I can paste it, and then this could be sent across to an email. Let's say if I would like to change the color, one of the reasons why I prefer the 3D builder is in case if I would like to change the color or some other functionality, I can use the paint and the texture functionality, where I can manipulate the information of this object. So as you can see that it has been added, I can still copy the information and paste it to the PowerPoint as well. So this is another project this is the sample Revit project that I have used, and as you can see that I can navigate across the model. I think sometimes it is good if you're holding a presentation where would you like to show the Revit model and for a quick snapshot. I think this would help. There are some more features it has. So if you go under format, you can actually pan and zoom across this model, and you can change the view of different because it's generated automatically the different views. So I can um, actually manipulate the information here. I hope you find this education entertaining, and thank you for watching.